Hi, it's Diego from Cell-Crete. I'm going to share with you how lightweight cellular concrete can save you time, money, and hassle on your next project. Legacy-filled materials are heavy, require compaction, and difficult to work with. And in a rapid, challenging, and highly demanding environment, this just doesn't work. It puts contractors, engineers, and owners in a stressful situation that's time-consuming and costly. But our lightweight cellular concrete is different. It's a resilient and sustainable material that's easy to work with, fast curing, and can be permeable or non-permeable, making it perfect for your next job. Cellular concrete is a lightweight material that can be placed to fill any shape or void area without the need of heavy equipment to place, cut to fit, or compact, which greatly reduces fill loads on subgrade and structures. You can speed up your schedule, for example, by eliminating the extra burden of traditional subgrade ground improvements that take a lot of time and are costly. It's got a minimal footprint and it's hassle-free. Plus, our cellular concrete is produced on site, so you don't have to wait for materials or personnel to be shipped in. This speeds up your schedule and creates a safer working environment. So who uses and loves our product? Other than myself, engineers looking to solve complex problems by engaging new innovative materials to solve that problem, contractors looking to complete their projects in a timely manner but short on time and supply, and owners looking for unique solutions that are resilient, sustainable, and cost-effective, saving time and money, equating to revenue on their end. So we get a lot of questions about cellular concrete in general. Like, what is cellular concrete and how is it made? Cellular concrete is a material that is composed of three main ingredients: cement, water, and a preformed foam. Let's talk about cure times. Cellular concrete takes about 10 to 16 hours to cure, which means you can continue your construction activities after the material has set. The next day. What does our daily production look like? Productions can vary anywhere from 100 yards an hour to 300 yards an hour, depending on the project demands. Cell-Crete is a leading company in the U.S. for cellular concrete since 1956 and has always been on the forefront of innovation and customer satisfaction with poured and pumped lightweight cellular concrete. We provide our customers with the perfect product for their specific needs on construction projects. We understand that you need to have confidence in your subcontractors. Our reliability and quality workmanship gives us a good reputation, but we also pride ourselves on delivering the best client service in the business. Your success is our success. So if you're looking for a way to save time, money, and reduce your carbon footprint, Cell-Crete's lightweight cellular concrete is the answer. Contact us today to learn more.